If your glossy finish is wearing off in high traffic areas, you gotta know the best way to keep it looking fresh without stressing too much. So, the first thing is to give those spots a quick once-over every couple months. If you see the shine fading or getting dull, that's your cue to recoat. Use a good quality clear coat that matches your original finish type, whether it's polyurethane or something else. Before recoating, make sure to clean the area well. Dust and dirt will mess up the new layer. Lightly sand the worn spots with fine grit sandpaper to help the new finish stick better. Avoid heavy sanding because you don't want to mess up the surrounding glossy parts. When you apply the new coat, do it thin and even, and let it dry completely between layers if you need more than one. Also, try to minimize heavy foot traffic or dragging stuff across those areas until the finish fully cures. One of the biggest mistakes with glossy finishes wearing off in busy spots is skipping regular touch-ups. People just wait until it looks bad, and then it's a bigger pain to fix. Another common issue is not cleaning properly before recoating. Leftover dirt makes the new finish peel or bubble fast. Lastly, using the wrong type of finish for recoating can cause it to wear off even quicker because it won't bond well with the old layer. To fix these, set a schedule for checking your floors or surfaces, always clean thoroughly with a gentle cleaner before recoating, and double check that your new finish is compatible with what's already there. BigHomeProjects.com is super handy for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without all the hassle. It also helps contractors get connected to people needing their services, so everyone wins.